Hey everybody, Craig Valine here, your consumer advocate, and today I'm with Dr. Ronald Koslowski, a prosthodontist in Encino, California. Hi Dr. K, how are you?
Hi Craig, good to see you.
Good to see you. You know what I'm fascinated with is why people go into certain professions.
Mm-hmm.
You're a prosthodontist.
That's right.
Which is a more specific specialty of dentistry. So what got you into this profession?
Okay. Well, prosthodontics, Craig, is the branch of dentistry that encompasses restoring and replacing teeth and also making teeth more beautiful. A lot of people don't even know this specialty exists, and we're kind of a small group of highly specialized dentists, and everyone knows what an orthodontist is for tooth straightening, or a periodontist for gum care, but prosthodontics is actually one of the specialties recognized by the American Dental Association. And what we do is go through several years of highly specialized training in hospital and university to really be able to do the best possible restorative care. And that's what really drove me to it, because I'm a perfectionist, Craig. And that's and in some areas of life maybe that's not so good, but in work and in doing this kind of work where things are measured in tenths of millimeters, I really want things to be just perfect for my patients. So what I found out in dental school is a dental school education, they teach you a little bit of a lot of different things, and so you get kind of a basic understanding. And I really took a liking to restorative care and really making teeth look lifelike and realistic, and I wanted to learn as much as possible about how to do that as well as possible, so that's why I specialized.
Excellent, excellent. So why would someone need to go to a prosthodontist versus seeing a general dentist?
Okay. Well, a lot of people come to me because they've been referred by their dentist. Mm-hmm. And they might have a highly capable general dentist who's great at maintaining things and fixing small problems, but they may see a problem that's just beyond the scope of general dentistry. Yeah. And so they call me and send the patient over and tell them, look, you need a specialist. And that's a lot of patients come to me that way, and sometimes they even come from other specialists like periodontists and oral surgeons, and a patient needs maybe implant care, and they want to work with someone who can really make sure that the teeth that I put on those implants are going to be functional and last a good long time. And on the other hand, I see a lot of folks who come to me who just really need an excellent dentist, and they want some specialty care. Yeah. And they want to be well taken care of. They want a lot of personal attention that they just don't get from a larger general dental office.
Right, and you have a reputation for excellence at what you do, so that certainly doesn't hurt either, does it?
Exactly, and it's kind of an added value that my patients get, and even if they don't have complicated dental needs, this can be a great place for small problems to get caught before they turn into big ones.
Right. So let me ask you this. What are your primary values that drive your practice? I mean, what's most important to you that you want your patients to know about you?
Okay. Most importantly is customer service. I want my patients to come in here and feel like they've just had the most wonderful experience. Yeah. And the typical doctor's office experience is you walk in and you're ignored for a while, and they got a little board for you to sign in, and patients will not experience that. Right. Coming into my office, they will be cheerfully greeted, they will be taken care of, and so that's really important to me, that they have an experience that they don't get anywhere else. So another important value is excellence and precision. Yeah. And I want to do my best for my patients. So what folks will see is when they come in to see me, I'm only here to see them. And very different kind of experience.
Personal attention, right?
Exactly. Yeah. I spend my time one-on-one with my patients, and spend a lot of extra time because I really want to get to know my patients and want them to be just part of this family, and I want to treat them like I'd treat a family member, and right. Really take my best possible care of them.
Well, I think that's one of the biggest challenges with finding a dentist or a specialist that really cares, is because there's no bedside manner, there's no personal focus right there when you're with them, and it's obvious that you value that. You do that. Good. You know, the one thing I will observe is that when I walk into the office, your staff always has this big smile on their face, and they welcome me back. They offer me a water immediately. They do things like that. And so, you know, that feeling of feeling special the moment you walk in is really there. So if there's anything that you'd want the public to know about you that we haven't already acknowledged, what would that be?
Besides being a specialist, I think I'd like folks to know the importance of board certification. After my training, I became board certified in my specialty, which means I went before the American Board of Prosthodontics, which is the governing body of my specialty.
Right.
I showed them my work. I took a written exam, and you know, this is something that folks, you know, when you're long out of school, you don't want to go taking exams, but I wanted to really wanted to show my competence in my work, and so I showed that to the American Board of Prosthodontics. They certified me as a diplomate in my specialty. And other things. One more passion I want to talk to you about is working with head and neck cancer patients.
Oh, wow!
And that's part of kind of a subspecialty. And I spent a year at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York, which is one of the world's premier cancer centers. And I focused an entire year of my life helping folks who've just been ravaged by cancer, who have very specialized dental needs.
Yeah.
And so that's a special, important part of what I do, and something that I still do to help the medical community in the Valley. And as far as I know, I think I'm the only board certified prosthodontist who has this training in the Valley.
Wow. Wow, that's that's excellent. Well, listen, if you'd like to get to know Dr. K, as he's known among his patients, the information will be right after this video on a slide. Just give their office a call. And now you offer a special consultation for people who want to...
Absolutely. Yeah. So some folks who are seeing this video may already be a patient of mine. If they are, tell a friend or family member that you saw my interview with Craig, and call my front office, and they'll be happy to give a complimentary consultation. If you haven't been in to see me yet, and you're seeing this interview, then let them know at my office that I am waiving consultation cost. That's a $95 value, and just come in and get to know us and see if we're the right fit for you, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
That sounds great. Thank you, everybody. My name is Craig Valine. I'm your consumer advocate. We've been with Dr. K here in Encino, California. If you have any questions, of course, give their office a call. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks, Craig.